Yes, we have incandescent lights in a 21 Honda HRV. And we just did that radio, but that's none of your business if you don't care for that radio. So, clip you do. Telling you, gotta get these little guys right between the crack. Watch. See? Pops it out. Typical of Honda. Pop it out. Now, put it back in. See? Now. Here you go. Oh, this one you can actually see. Oh my God. Toshiba. Of course, the number is gone. V8W. Oh man. What is that? 12 volts, 8W. P0. Doesn't tell you what it is. Probably a 921. Put it in. Make sure it works. I'm gonna put the link for the LEDs. So let's move on to the back. It just snaps in. Now with me laying down, you can almost see where you want to put the screwdriver. I'm telling you, gotta buy this thing. I have them in my links or in my descriptions. These things help. Now, with your fingers, or let's do more because it went back in. See that? It went back in. So, there we go. Watch. Here we go. Oops. Don't lose it. Same thing. Same bulb. Come on, puppy. Same thing. Same bulb. I'll put the links in the description. And so we're going to slide this puppy back in and move on to whatever's next. Oh, put it on straight, buddy. Here you go. Push, push, moving on. Hoo hoo hoo. Right between the crack toward the front of the vehicle. Right there. Pops right out. There you go. Same bulb again. Alright, so you need 4 of them. That puppy's still on. Same bulb. Probably 921. We'll put the link for the whole setup. So, there you have it. Still the same. You're the one changing them. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.